Welcome to the day's business. I'm sitting in for Betty Kiptum. The Water Resource Authority will start assessing boreholes and wells around the country for compliance due to fears of groundwater depletion over unregulated drilling. The authority's chairperson, Kuntai Kul, says water projects without proper certification and authorization will be closed down, and a technical advisory committee be set up to chart a system of assessment where non-abiding contractors will be penalized.
Kenya's potential groundwater resource is estimated at 619 million cubic meters, while the total safe abstraction rate annually recharged is estimated to be 193 million cubic meters. The Water Resource Authority, however, says this may be breached as illegal boreholes are being dug, especially in urban centers.
We are putting them on notice that very, very shortly we will be able to move around to enforce and to ensure that there is not a single illegal borehole that is operational in Nairobi.
He says non-regulated water reservoirs do not use the standardized procedures while drilling, which may make the water unsafe for consumption.
We want to have full data for our underground water aquifers. We want to do all this for sustainability so that we don't sink so many boreholes until we deplete the underground water aquifers completely. Because then what will they be doing? Maybe in the next 20 years, if we don't regulate this, the drillers of this country will have no work.
The Water Resource Authority plans to shut such water reservoirs, with the exercise slated to start in Nairobi County.
We understand the situation in the country. We understand that there is a lot of demand for water. That we appreciate and we understand. But we want Kenyans to follow due process. We want Kenyans to follow due process. We will help them in trying to regulate. We will give them the data for the underground water aquifers, because we don't just want to be satisfied for a day and ban the granary. That is actually what we are saying, and we will move with speed and ensure that things are done the right way.
He says the drought situation is depleting the groundwater potential.
We are looking at e-permitting as one of the way to reduce the time and the bureaucracy, and going forward, that is an issue that we are really taking into consideration. We have received a complaint and we are going to act upon that.
All drillers are required to have up-to-date documentation. Hibak Said for Prime Edition.